Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something special for all the soon-to-be brides out there who want to glow up and look their best on their big day. Whether you're just a few weeks away or have a little more time, this weekly bride-to-be maintenance routine will keep you looking flawless and feeling confident. Step 1: Hair Care Routine. Let's start with hair care. Healthy, shiny hair is a must for every bride, right? Here's what you'll want to do each week for that gorgeous bridal hair. First, wash your hair twice a week using a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo. This keeps your scalp clean without drying out your hair. After every wash, make sure to deep condition. Use a hydrating conditioner from mid-length to the ends, and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing. Now, for some extra love, try a weekly hair mask. Here's an easy DIY: mash up a ripe banana, add a tablespoon of honey, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Apply it to damp hair, leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse. This mask leaves your hair feeling silky and nourished. And don't forget a scalp massage with warm castor oil and a few drops of rosemary oil once a week. This stimulates your scalp, promoting hair growth and making your hair super shiny. Step 2: Face Care Routine. Next up, let's talk skincare. To get that beautiful glow and smooth, glass-like skin, consistency is key. Every morning, start with a gentle cleanser, followed by a toner, vitamin C serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Sunscreen is so important, especially as the wedding day gets closer. In the evening, your routine should include a makeup remover, cleanser, toner, a retinol or niacinamide serum, and a moisturizer. For that extra glow, try a weekly face mask. Here's my go-to brightening mask: mix a tablespoon of yogurt, a tablespoon of honey, and a pinch of turmeric. Apply it for about 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it off. This mask helps with pigmentation and gives you a natural glow. If you want that glass skin effect, mix aloe vera gel with a few drops of rose water. Apply it and let it sit for 15 minutes, then rinse. It's a great way to keep your skin looking fresh and hydrated. Step 3: Body Care Routine. Now, we can't forget about body care. Here's how to keep your skin soft and radiant from head to toe. Start with a daily shower using a gentle body wash and exfoliating gloves. This helps keep your skin smooth and glowing. Once a week, use a body scrub to slough away dead skin cells. Pay extra attention to rough areas like elbows and knees. For an all-over body glow, here's a DIY scrub I love: mix coffee grounds, honey, and a splash of milk. Massage it all over and rinse after 10 to 15 minutes. Your skin will feel amazing. Every night, apply a nourishing body lotion or oil. A rich body butter or even coconut oil will keep your skin hydrated and smooth. Step 4: Body Hair Removal. Next, let's talk hair removal, because who doesn't want smooth skin for their wedding day? Start by exfoliating the area before shaving or waxing. This prevents ingrown hairs and makes for a smoother shave. You can choose waxing for longer-lasting results or shaving with a hydrating gel. Just be gentle on your skin. If you're planning on waxing, try to stick to a monthly schedule so your skin has time to heal in between. Step 5: Personal Hygiene. Personal hygiene is key for feeling confident, so here are some tips to stay fresh and radiant. For your daily routine, shower with a mild soap, and for the private areas, use a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser. Once a week, you can use a brightening mask for areas that may have pigmentation. Mix aloe vera gel with a pinch of turmeric, apply it for 5 to 10 minutes, and rinse. It's gentle and natural. For underarm care, exfoliate once a week to reduce pigmentation and odor. Step 6: Supplements for skin and hairs. To support your beauty routine from the inside, consider taking a daily women's multivitamin and magnesium before bed. These help with skin and hair health, giving you that extra glow. Step 7: Fitness. Finally, don't forget wellness. Taking care of your body through exercise and hydration is just as important. Try doing Pilates or yoga 3 to 4 times a week. It relieves stress and tones your body, and drink lots of water. Aim for at least 2 to 3 liters a day to keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Get your beauty sleep, too. Aiming for 7 to 8 hours of sleep will work wonders for both your skin and your mood. And there you have it, a complete weekly routine to help you look and feel your best on your wedding day. So, enjoy this journey, and if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Bye!